Weird and wonderful facts. Fact number 1. Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water, known as Pebba effect. Fact number 2. A jiffy is an actual unit of time, specifically the time it takes for light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum, approximately 3.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11 seconds. Fact number 3. When you do a Google query, about 1000 computers are used to find the answer in around 0.2 seconds. Fact number 4. The scent of rain is called petrichor. Fact number 5. There is no such thing as truly zero calorie food, as even low calorie items contain some energy.